Today we're going to open this mini Barbie, so let's open it. It's very cute because I love it and it's cute. So I'm gonna open it. This is the background, how it looks like. Put it on. Okay, here how it looks like the wings set up. And you can switch the clothes. So let's put off the wings. Let's put the Barbie there. And this name is Perry. Let's put her wings back on. So here's how it looks like. Bye you guys. Thanks for watching. And Kelly Studies and Kelly Studies. Bye. And Studies. Bye you guys.